I like to do magic tricks.
I like to do magic tricks.
I like to fly kites.
I like to fly kites.
I like to hang out with friends.
I like to hang out with friends.
I like to jog in the park.
I like to jog in the park.
I like to learn foreign languages.
I like to learn foreign languages.
I like to play violin.
I like to play violin.
I like to sing karaoke with friends.
I like to sing karaoke with friends.
I like to do woodworking.
I like to do woodworking.
I like to fold origami.
I like to fold origami.
I like to fish in lakes.
I like to fish in lakes.
I like to ride a horse.
I like to ride a horse.
I like to chat with friends.
I like to chat with friends.
I like to draw portraits.
I like to draw portraits.
I like to knit scarves.
I like to knit scarves.
I like to sew clothes.
I like to sew clothes.
I like to do yoga daily.
I like to do yoga daily.
I like to practice calligraphy.
I like to practice calligraphy.
I like to sculpt clay figures.
I like to sculpt clay figures.
I like to create scrapbooks.
I like to create scrapbooks.
I like to camp by the lake.
I like to camp by the lake.
I like to collect old stamps.
I like to collect old stamps.
I like to dance hip hop.
I like to dance hip hop.
I like to garden on weekends.
I like to garden on weekends.
I like to make ceramic pots.
I like to make ceramic pots.
I like to play chess.
I like to play chess.
I like to play basketball.
I like to play basketball.
I like to snowboard in mountains.
I like to snowboard in mountains.
I like to ski in winter.
I like to ski in winter.
I like to hike mountains.
I like to hike mountains.
I like to do gymnastics.
I like to do gymnastics.
I like to dive into the sea.
I like to dive into the sea.
I like to dress up for festivals.
I like to dress up for festivals.
I like to walk on the beach.
I like to walk on the beach.
I like to drink coffee.
I like to drink coffee.
I like to sunbathe on the beach.
I like to sunbathe on the beach.
I like to cook meals.
I like to cook meals.
I like to eat chocolate.
I like to eat chocolate.
I like to collect coins.
I like to collect coins.